to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Shanese Danae. Please make sure that you hit that little subscribe button as well as the notification bell so that way you never miss a video when I upload. But today we have a Bath & Body Works haul for you guys. It's mainly wallflowers and candles, but I feel like when people show candles, they don't really tell you like what the scents are. So if you are interested in knowing about these candles and wallflowers, keep watching. Total of about 10 candles here, or 9 candles, and then I'm not really sure how many wallflowers I have. I do have a few, maybe 7 or 8 or 10, I don't know. We'll count as we go. I'm going to try to make this video quick for you guys so that way you're not bored, but let's get started. So the first candle is Sweater Weather. I freaking love this candle. I've been using this candle for years. Matt hates the smell of this, but honestly it smells really good. The notes that are in it is fresh sage, juniper, eucalyptus, and fresh wood. So if you like a really nice fresh smell in your home, Sweater Weather is the perfect one to get. Definitely try it out. I love it. The second scent that I have is the Frosted Cranberry. I freaking love this smell. It has a nice fresh cranberry smell. I mean, the notes that are in it, it's like snow dusted cranberries, juicy peach. You can definitely smell the peach that's in there, and then red raspberries. It smells really good. See, and I'm the type of person that I really don't like the scent of like baking goods in a candle. It kind of freaks me out, like cupcake, which is weird because I found the whatever, but I don't really like scents that have like berries or pie or something like that, cupcake. I'm not really into those kind of candles, but fruits I can do. Okay, so the next one I got is Autumn Woods. It has a cucumber scent to it, which is really strange because it doesn't have any cucumber. The notes are like white amber, lavender, and dark walnut. And it smells cucumber to me. Like, it smells just like cucumber. So if you are interested in this candle, they have different ones that you can go with, like different designs that match your home, which they normally do all the time. But yeah, this one is a really good scent too. The next candle that I got is the Black Cherry Merlot. This is something that I feel like they always have this candle, usually in the spring is when they bring it out. But I really like the packaging. It has like little grapes on there, but it smells nice and fresh. The notes that are in this is dark cherry, black raspberry, and sumptuous Merlot. Honestly, it smells more like black cherry. So if you like the smell of black cherries, this is definitely a candle to get. I just like it because I just like the smell of it. Next, I freaking love this design. I think it's so freaking cute, guys. This is their peppered suede. They have different packaging that you can go with, but I'm really loving like the jean and the looks that they have with this candle or design. But this is definitely a masculine scent. If you don't like masculine scents, I wouldn't recommend getting this candle. This is their black peppercorn and soft amberwood. But I like it just to have a nice, just something different in the home. It does smell masculine, but I love it, and I think honestly I got it because of the packaging. Next candle I got is Live Love Leaves. They actually had this last year and it just brought it back out. The notes that are in this is crisp red apple, golden nectar, and then warm clove spice. When you smell it, you can smell the red apple for sure, and it kind of smells like cinnamon. So if you don't like the smell of cinnamon, I wouldn't recommend going with this Live Love Leaves, mainly because it has a nice spice to it. I personally normally don't like cinnamon smells, especially like when you go to the bathroom and you know they always have like that cinnamon apple. I think it just makes the smell worse. But to each his own. This candle, honestly I don't know why I got it. I really like it for some odd reason, but it's altogether different when you burn it, so we shall find out. The next one that I absolutely love for this year, now I am not sure if they had this year, I'm not sure if this is new, but this is their Marshmallow Fireside. And I don't know why I'm obsessed with the smell. Like, honestly, it doesn't really smell that good. I'm just kind of obsessed with it. It smells like, well, the notes that are in it is like a roasted vanilla, toasted marshmallow, crystal amber, and then smoldering woods. I think I honestly like it because I can smell the hint of vanilla. But It definitely smells sweet, but when you burn it, because I have the wallflower, like the wallflower in this smells freaking amazing. So I'm not sure how the candles would smell, because to me sometimes the wallflowers and the candles smell completely different. So I'm hoping that I like this one, but so far this may be a favorite. I'll keep you posted. And then the last candle that I have is the flannel, and I think this is so freaking cute. I'm honestly obsessed with the packaging. Again, it's another masculine smell, almost like a musk. I don't even know how to explain the smell, but the notes in this one is mahogany, soft musk, which is crazy because I just said that. And I can smell it, but I don't know, like if you're someone that loves like that musk, like oils, then you would really, really love this candle. I like it because it's just different, and honestly I think one of the reasons why I bought this candle is because of the flannel design on it, and I thought it was freaking adorable. I should have got 2 of them, but yeah. So yeah guys, that actually finishes up all the candles that I got. I did get a thank you candle, but that's not part of the fall collection. I just got that because I thought the packaging was super cute, and it smells really fresh. So that would make the 10th candle. Now the wallflowers are always pretty different. I went with the Aloha Kiwi Passion Fruit, which these were actually on sale, not part of fall. This is part of their summer and spring collection. I got Autumn, which is a really good scent. And then I also got Pumpkin Apple, which is really strange because again, I'm not really into like certain smells that have to do with apples, and I feel like that's the majority of the stuff that I got. But yeah, this Pumpkin Apple smells freaking amazing, especially in a wallflower. So I can't wait to transition this into once the other ones are out. So those are the only ones that I got right here in this section. There's a few staples that I always like to have, which is Beautiful Day. I freaking love this smell. Matt and I both love this one. It comes in like a nice blue packaging like this. It's called Beautiful Day. It just has a nice scent to it. The notes are Sunkissed Apple, Wild Daisies, and Pink Peonies, and I love it. Another one that we decided to try out is Crisp Morning Air. And this has notes of crisp fall breeze, white oak, and amberwood. Amber or just amber woods, I feel like that's something that I'm leaning towards this fall for some reason, because I feel like all the candles that I've literally went with have like amber woods or mahogany woods or something woods in it. So yeah. And then the next one, I got another Pumpkin Apple. I'm telling you guys, this one smells really good. And then Vanilla Birch is another one that I went with. And then of course the notes in this one is White Birch, Madagascar Vanilla, and then Sandalwood. See, I'm like obsessed with the woods. So guys, that pretty much sums up this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. Please be sure to comment, rate, and subscribe, as well as ring the bell so that way you never miss a video when I upload. But until next time, you guys know what I always say, deuces.